Tesla is changing the laws of innovation with everything from cutting-edge factories, producing sleek electric automobiles to breathtaking solar-powered landscapes. You're going to meet the mega packs today, the batteries the size of superheroes that keep the lights on and the energy flowing. They are poised to transform sustainable power, akin to the stylish cousins of power walls. Speaking of revolutions, get ready to see a peak of autonomous robot taxis in the future. Envision getting into a vehicle that doubles as your personal driver. We're delving deeply into Tesla's endeavor to bring this to pass. A group of enthusiastic inventors led by none other than Elon Musk are responsible for all of this magic. They're not just altering automobiles. They're also altering our perspectives on energy, transportation, and other topics. It's a really exciting update, so please hit the like button before we continue. Also, click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of this content. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Let's begin this video now. Hi there. Let's talk about the recent developments surrounding Tesla Inc. Thus, following the release of their 2223 financial data, their stock value fell by about 18. It even dropped by almost 25 at one time, but during the previous week, it has managed to somewhat recover. In terms of numbers, CLA produced and delivered 83 and 86 more automobiles respectively compared to the same period last year. In specific terms, they delivered over 466,000 cars while producing nearly 480,000. Collectively, they chose to provide certain reductions in order to increase demand in addition to boosting production, which negatively impacted their profit margins. The intriguing element, though, is that once their fully functional self-driving software is operational, it will generate substantial income from applications like Robotaxis, which has the potential to be a game changer. Therefore, even though their car's profits may not be at their highest point just now, over time, they should soar as a result of the FSD magic, not to mention they're trying to gain a slice of the market. One major benefit for the company is that owners of Teslas are more inclined to purchase other models in the future. Additionally, any Tesla using the FSD software is effectively compiling important data to enhance the system as a whole. Therefore, it turns out that those price reductions they have been promoting are beneficial overall. To change the subject a little, Tesla is no longer the tenacious upstart. As the best-selling vehicle in the world, their Model Y is dominating the charts, and superchargers are now standard in North America. They have certainly earned the right to be considered major players in the world of automobiles. Hold on tight, though, because the growth they've had over the last 10 years may seem slow in comparison to the sprint they're set to undertake over the next 10. Let's now discuss what will be the main attraction in the coming years. Tesla's energy storage division. Solar panels, energy storage devices like Powerwalls and Megapacks, and even selling extra energy back to the grid via their auto bidder are the main products of this division of the corporation. Some people are raving about their solar panels, electricity walls, and Megapacks because they have this entire system set up to make solar electricity a snap. Therefore, the true magic may lie on the energy storage side of things if you're looking at growth possibilities. In conclusion, even though the stock may be yo-yoing, Tesla has some strong cards in its sleeve. They're in for a wild ride with their car company booming and their other endeavors like solar and energy storage gaining traction. If 20 million Teslas were produced by 2030, who wouldn't want a share of that success? Thus, Powerwalls and Megapacks are the two main competitors in their energy storage market. Powerwalls are a slightly more economical alternative to energy storage for the home when it comes to sales. However, the Megapacks are the actual star of the show. These are intended for larger scale initiatives such as companies and utilities that supply the grid with electricity. The growing demand for Megapacks makes sense given the quest for cleaner energy in general. There's a waiting list till about 3Q24 because these packets are so popular. Tesla is currently stepping up its production schedule to meet the demand, although the majority of Megapacks are produced in California. The factory is being upgraded to produce twice as many over the course of the next year. Furthermore, more of these Megapacks will be released in 2024, and a brand new mega factory is scheduled to open in Shanghai, China, later this year. They may even consider constructing other mega factories in the future. 3 megawatt hours of energy can be stored in each Megapack, but hundreds are required when discussing large-scale sustainable projects. They already have some pretty amazing installations, such as one in Texas that supports the system during blackouts, and another Australia that supplies backup power to a whole city. Furthermore, we must not undervalue the outstanding contribution of the Alaskan project, a real pioneer in the field of renewable energy. Nestled amid the untamed splendor of Alaska, a fleet of 37 megapacks stands firm, arranging an energy symphony that both enhances the region's ability for sustainable energy and boldly challenges the reliance on gas turbine electricity. These strong units store and release solar energy, lowering carbon emissions and providing clean power to the land. It's a fascinating tango between technology and environment. This project is a beacon of innovation and a tribute to Tesla's dedication to a greener future against the backdrop of Alaska's wild surroundings. Let's talk about the cash flow now. The price of each megapack is approximately $2.04 million. And like with their automobiles, Tesla hopes to turn a healthy profit margin of 10. It appears that they are preparing for some strong profits in the future as additional megapacks are expected to roll off the assembly line in the coming years. When we talk about automobiles, we can't ignore the incredibly cool fully autonomous platform. This baby is meant to make Teslas become the ultimate self-driving vehicles. They've reached stage 3 now, where the automobile can drive itself, but you still need to monitor the situation. Level 5 is the ultimate aim, where the vehicle can function fully without a driver. The issue is that they are now only at about 300 million miles of FSD experience, and it will take them an astounding 6 billion miles to reach that point. It's therefore a reminder that even while these advancements are thrilling, a little patience is still needed, even though the transition to fully autonomous Teslas is more a question of when than if. We look forward to the day when our automobiles can drive themselves through the streets with ease, but until then, there are many complex obstacles that need to be carefully navigated on the road to complete automation. Although the final destination is undoubtedly exciting, getting there might take a little longer as Tesla's creative minds work to perfect this state-of-the-art technology. Level 4 is now somewhat near at this point. The cars are capable of managing themselves in some situations, such as city streets. And should Tesla master this, they may be prepared to enter the Robotaxi industry. Yes, try to picture cabs without drivers. It's revolutionary. 2 different kinds of robotaxis are being considered. One for ride sharing only, and another enabling Tesla owners to rent out their vehicles via a dedicated app. The best thing is that it's far less expensive than regular rides, with the possibility of a profit share for the car owners. And speaking of earnings, it's important to know that other self-driving cab businesses anticipate enormous profits by 2030. Thus, there is a lot of promise for Tesla's robotaxi concept. Additionally, don't let Tesla's brief delivery difficulties in China depress you too much. The narrative of this company goes far beyond energy storage, self-driving aspirations, and futuristic robotaxis. They have a lot of exciting times in store. In addition, if you're interested in their stock, we believe it's a fantastic investment at this time. Experts like the price target of $492 per share and are sticking with it. Just keep in mind that all the benefits from FSD, robotaxis, and solar energy storage are not even included in this. We're now awaiting further information on that front. The simple line is that Tesla's automobile business is in a great situation thanks to a lot of support from governments across the world, a sizable and constantly expanding production capability, the flexibility to make price discounts to keep things moving, and some slower competitors. They may be compared to the pioneers of the electric automobile industry, similar to how Cadbury's was for chocolate and Xerox was for copying. They're not stopping in automobiles anymore. They're prepared to make waves in other domains as well, such as those amazing battery storage arrangements and solar panels and roofing. And who knows, maybe FSD and Robotaxis will lead to some amazing developments in the future. Without a doubt, the cash flow is looking strong. Thus, things appear to be going well for Tesla Inc., and they are blue skies if you're in the investor club. That concludes our film, my buddy, on Tesla's amazing path from electric vehicles to solar energy, battery storage, and the possible future of self-driving robotaxis as we excitedly observe Tesla's stock dance. And ideas take shape. It's evident that the company is creating quite a stir. Recall that Tesla has the most exciting journey ahead of it. We also wanted to leave the following queries up to: how does Tesla's strategy of lowering prices to increase demand for their vehicles fit into their long-term goals? In your opinion, how important a role does Tesla play in the electric vehicle market? in your perspective? And what aspects of their success have they maintained in the face of competition? Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.